As you can see, we are writing down the data from the gravestones. It means name, family name, name of the father, name of the husband if it's a grave of a woman, some other details like, for example, the city where somebody is coming from, the age sometimes, and the date of death. And sometimes we have to search for the graves because, as you can see, there's lots of leaves, so we have just to go and and search for them like this.
All the sectors in the cemetery have numbers. We give numbers to rows and then to single graves, and that's how you can find, you can place, actually we want to make a map or something, and you can find the graves this way. And then in the winter, when it's too cold to work here, we go back home and we put it all on the database on the internet, and people can find the graves of their ancestors. It's very hard actually, because each year more and more graves are destroyed, so actually gravestones, they're destroyed, so each year there is less. So if we count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, then next year the 5 is a 4, right? Or so it's a very complicated process. There is supposed to be 230,000 people buried here, but about 80,000 lie in mass graves which are here. So there was supposed to be 150,000 gravestones, right? But we are finishing this project, and we have 80-something thousand gravestones with details on them, with names. So this means that in the last 60 years, this many gravestones have been destroyed, just stolen, damaged by trees, the weather, whatever. So we were expecting at least 120,000 gravestones with names. So it's not that we're disappointed, but we were expecting that there to be more. Everyone was expecting there to be more details. Sometimes this is the only document of a person's existence.
This is important also because of my, let's call it, Jewish identity. My father is Jewish, so I'm half, and yeah, so when I'm working here, I'm thinking also about my Jewish grandmother, and I kind of doing it for her. Maybe this is, I don't know, maybe it's too big words, but this is how I feel, that this is something that I can do for Jews in Poland, yes? Because I'm not really involved in Jewish community. I'm a member of Jewish community in Warsaw, but I'm not really active from different reasons. So this is like my tribute, as I can say.
It's something that just has to be done. If it's not going to be done now, year after year, there is less sense in doing it, because there is less information here for us. I know it may sound too nostalgic or something, but I think this is the connection, to the old world. This is like, you can find if you find gravestone of your family here, it's sort of like they become more real. This is in Jewish culture, the cemetery is called Beit Hayim, and this is like the living history. That's how I see it. It's not just the Holocaust or something. It's more. Here are the people that have lived here happily and died less happily, but they had normal lives. And you can really, after working here for some time, I started to feel that.